Welcome to MaxBot, where smart traders level up. Hey traders, ready to crush 2025 and take your trading game to the next level? You've come to the right place. MaxBot is more than a channel, it's your go-to hub for knowledge, motivation, and tools that turn you into a sharper, smarter, and more confident trader. In today's video, we're diving into the top 10 principles you need for technical analysis in 2025. If you're tired of second-guessing your trades or struggling to decode the charts, this is the video for you. By the end, you'll have 10 actionable strategies to master the markets and stay ahead of the game, even as trends and technology evolve. This video isn't just about teaching you principles, it's about showing you how to think like a pro. Here's something I see way too often. Traders skipping technical analysis because they think it's too hard, too time-consuming, or not necessary. And sure, you might get lucky once or twice. But without a strong foundation, that luck will run out, and fast. Now, I get it, technical analysis can feel overwhelming at first. That's exactly why we created the MaxBot, a tool that makes the process faster and easier, without cutting corners. Here's what the bot does. Real-time analysis. It collects data from multiple indicators, RSI, MACD, stochastic, and more, and analyzes it instantly. The bot gives you actionable buy or sell signals. And the best part? It's absolutely free. You can grab it right now using the link in the description below. It's an AI assistant that will help you make key decisions and guide you to important thoughts. But wait, it gets better. When you grab the bot today, you'll also get access to a promo code for plus 100% on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Deposit $50, and you'll get an extra $50, giving you $100 total. Deposit $500, and your balance doubles to $1,000. This promo code only works on your first deposit, so don't miss out on this opportunity to supercharge your trading account. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. On MaxBot, we're all about giving you the tools, insights, and motivation you need to succeed in trading. Are you ready to stop guessing, start analyzing, and take control of your trades? Let's dive into the top 10 principles for technical analysis in 2025, because your success story starts today. But wait, I'm going to start earning right now. To make this time fly by with double benefit and profit, British pound and American dollar, I decided to immediately see the signal on the 15-minute time frame in order to understand the global trend. The robot read the market and gave an unfolded signal, active sold. I'm going to open the trade on a 5-minute time frame, so it's time to get a target signal. 2 clicks on the keys corresponding to the set parameters and behold, the artificial intelligence tells me that in this case it is best to open an active sell trade. Both the long-term and short-term signal matched. I see this as confirmation of a strong bearish trend. I took a look at the market and I agree. It's like catching a wave right before it crashes. It's all about timing and momentum. Here's why I took the trade. The bot gave a super clear active sell signal, backed by some heavyweight indicators. RSI? Deep in the oversold zone. Stochastic? Also showing weakness, with no buying pressure kicking in. And look at the MACD. It's heading downhill like a snowboarder flying down a slope. That's a trifecta of bearish confirmation. Now, check the chart. The price is consistently making lower highs and lower lows, classic downtrend behavior. It's like the market is walking downstairs, one step at a time. This is the kind of setup you dream of for a sell trade. When I saw these trends align, I knew this was the moment to strike. It's not about guessing, it's about connecting the dots, and every dot here screamed, sell. Let's ride this one to the bottom. While I was analyzing the start of the deal, the price managed to rise, but it didn't last long. After all, it faced a powerful resistance area, and all local highs up to this point served as powerful resistance areas. So I have no doubt that in this situation we are waiting for a rebound, which will increase the chances of profit. I see that the combination of factors is able to extract a spark. We can get a strong impulse to lower. We just need to wait a bit. Guys, Pay attention to the tick volume histogram. On it, you can see a picture during the past hour when the bears did not retreat a single step. They joined the fight at regular intervals, saturated the market and lowered the price. The bulls have not yet accumulated enough potential to reverse the trend. That is why I decided to take advantage of the situation and accepted the signal from the robot assistant. The clock is ticking, and 2025 is right around the corner. Are you ready to level up your technical analysis game and crush the markets in the new year? Because today, we're diving into the 10 principles that every trader needs to master if they want to stay ahead of the curve. This isn't your old school list of tips. This is the cutting-edge stuff that works in the fast-paced, ever-changing markets of 2025. Think of this as your trading GPS, the ultimate guide to navigating the charts, spotting opportunities, and making confident decisions. Principle 1. Follow the trend, but stay alert. You've heard it before. The trend is your friend. But in 2025, it's not just your friend, it's your lifeline. Trends show the market's underlying strength, but here's the twist. Don't get too comfortable. Trends can shift faster than ever, especially with global news, AI-driven trading, and increased market volatility. It's like riding a wave, stay balanced, but always look ahead for signs that the wave is about to break. Tools like moving averages and ADX can help you ride the trend while staying prepared for reversals. Principle 2. Support and resistance, your market compass. Imagine you're climbing a mountain. Support levels are the sturdy footholds that keep you from falling, while resistance levels are the obstacles you need to push through. Here's the secret. Combine static levels with dynamic ones. Pair classic horizontal support and resistance with tools like Bollinger Bands or Fibonacci retracements. This gives you a multi-dimensional view of the market's hot zones. Principle 3. Volume speaks louder than price. Price tells you what's happening, but volume tells you why. Think of volume as the market's heartbeat. It shows you how much conviction is behind a move. In 2025, the rise of algorithmic trading means fake outs will be more common. High volume confirms a breakout, low volume might signal a trap. Always cross-check volume when analyzing big price moves. It's the difference between following the crowd and leading it. Principle 4. Don't marry indicators, date them. Indicators are like dating apps. Some will work perfectly with your strategy, while others will lead you on only to ghost you later. The key? Stay flexible, but don't overload your charts. Keep it simple, clean, and actionable. One strong signal beats 5 conflicting ones every time. So, I just closed a trade in the plus side. My analytics plus the signal from the robot plus my coolness did the trick. Let's keep working. I'll work on another option. The Australian dollar and the American dollar. I won't waste a minute. Let's go. A bot is not a dough button, it is a quality, working tool that will help you in trading, but you need to learn how to use it, and then the probability of correct trades will be about 80%. Active selling is the bot's verdict on a long-term, 15-minute time frame. It saw the potential for bears after the momentum, which recently served as a reversal point. So, it's time for a second recommendation. On the 5-minute time frame, the forecast from the artificial intelligence coincides with the 15-minute time frame. The bot shows me, using 12 indicators, a trend within which a strong downtrend lasts for a long time. I jumped into this sell trade the moment the bot dropped a strong signal for downward momentum. The indicators were crystal clear. This market was losing steam faster than a balloon with a pinhole. RSI and stochastic both screamed, sell, sitting in oversold zones, and ADX backed it up with strong trend strength. That's like having a GPS, a map, and a compass all pointing in the same direction. The MACD was diving too. Another major red flag for buyers. Sharp highs, but every new high is weaker than the last. It's a textbook sign of buyers losing control, and the downtrend is ready to kick in. Timing is key, and when these signals aligned, I knew it was my moment to ride the wave down. Remember, this setup was golden at that exact second. Trading is all about acting when the stars align. If you look at the chart more globally, over a longer time frame, you can see how price has been stepping higher, pushing off the local lows as support zones. But the bulls lost their strength. They hit a resistance zone right before our market entry. Then there was a moment of sideways movement, and the new local high just now became a prerequisite for another reversal. As well as the hints of the stochastic oscillator at the moment of overbought. The bears should become stronger right now, because the bulls have not accumulated the potential for new impulses that will change the balance of power. Guys, I remind you that the data refresh interval in the robot is 1 minute. This means that you can periodically update the actual information during a trade in order to make hedging or martingale in time. You can monitor the situation promptly. Grab Max Bot from the link in the description for free right now if you haven't already. You will also have access to VIP chat. Friends, look, the volume indicator shows me that the bears were particularly active half an hour ago, after which the bulls saturated the market nicely. But this process is coming to an end. The resistance zone stopped this growth. The ascending corridor was the final moment of increasing influence of buyers. Now we should take advantage of a situation that will be mirrored from this one with a high probability. And now I'll continue with the top 10. Principle 5. Candlesticks tell stories. Learn to read them. Each candlestick is like a mini market diary, showing you the battle between buyers and sellers. But don't stop at the pattern. Look at its context. A hammer at the bottom of a downtrend? Bullish reversal. A hammer in the middle of nowhere? Just noise. Always combine candlesticks with other tools for maximum clarity. Principle 6. Timeframes are your perspective. If you're only analyzing one time frame, you're like a pilot flying blind. Zoom in for precision, zoom out for perspective. Use higher time frames to identify trends and lower time frames to pinpoint entries. It's like using Google Maps. Start with the satellite view, then zoom into street level for details. Principle 7. News and sentiment are hidden catalysts. Technical analysis doesn't exist in a vacuum. Here's the trick. Combine sentiment with your charts. If the technicals align with bullish news, that's a strong signal. If they clash, be cautious. News can override even the strongest setups. Principle 8. Embrace AI-powered tools. Welcome to the future. In 2025, AI and automation will dominate the trading world. That's why tools like our Trading Assistant bot are so important. Principle 9. Risk management is king. All the technical analysis in the world won't save you if you're reckless with your money. In 2025, traders who don't manage risk will be wiped out faster than ever. Here's the golden rule. Never risk more than you're willing to lose. Set clear boundaries for every trade. And always remember, one bad trade shouldn't ruin your week, let alone your career. Principle 10. Consistency beats perfection. Perfection is a myth. In 2025, the best traders won't be the ones with the most accurate predictions. They'll be the ones who stay consistent. Follow your plan. Trust your analysis. Learn from your mistakes. Trading isn't about being right all the time, it's about being disciplined, adaptable, and resilient. Guys, I doubled my profit. I closed the second trade in the plus side. The total profit for today, thanks to my analysis and quick help from the robot assistant, is $1,248. That was awesome. Friends, take part in our big contest with a prize of $1,000 for one random comment. The terms are simple. Watch this video in its entirety, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I will choose 2 winners using randomizer and publish the results in my Telegram channel, where our team also shares knowledge about trading and helps traders to learn. The link is in the description. Subscribe. The contest is held every week. Guys, pick up Max Bot if you haven't already. It's free. The link is in the description. You will also get a promo code for plus 100% to your deposit. You will also get access to an exclusive chat room. Did you like the video? Give it a like. Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. Also, I invite you to our team's Telegram channel, where you will be the first to know about new videos, cool content, and great offers. I'll be back to you soon with new fiery content. Successful deals and see you soon.